So I'm originally from Grenada, and I met Ben in 2010, and last year we had baby Judah.
We started going to baby yoga because we want to socialise, and the atmosphere that you have at baby yoga library is very peaceful and very calming, and it's also in Welsh.
Mae Cymraeg I blant yn bwysig iawn fel cynllun oherwydd ni'n cyflwyno'r iaith Cymraeg o'r ddechrau, o'r cryd, i'r babis bach a'r teuluoedd. 1 bis, 2 bis, 3 bis yn dawnsio.
It's a great way through the singing to, remember and reinforce the Welsh language. Pan wedi mynd I Cymraeg I blant, bydd yn siŵr mae Judah mynd I maetrin Welsh medium education.
Mae'n ffordd grêt dwi'n credu I jyst I roi gyfle I bobl I gymdeithasu, I bigo lan tymed bach o'r iaith Cymraeg.
It's such a rich language and the history that's connected with it. To not tap into that and to not take the opportunity to learn it is a loss. It's a great way to get some exercise for your baby and at the same time learn or improve your Welsh.